In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom banner in this comprehensive 2025 tutorial. If you're looking to personalize your Google Classroom and make it more visually appealing for your students, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps to transform your classroom's look by customizing that banner. Firstly, open up Google Classroom in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of all the classes you have access to. Scan through your classes and click on the one for which you'd like to change the banner. The banner is the first thing students see when they enter a virtual classroom, so personalizing it can be a great way to make it feel unique and welcoming. Now that you're in the class, you should see an option labeled Customize in the upper right corner of the banner area. Clicking this will provide several options that allow you to tailor the appearance of your classroom to better match your teaching style or the subject matter. Here, you have a couple of choices. You can start by selecting a theme color. This might seem like a small detail, but the right color can set the mood and help to differentiate between various classes if you're managing more than one. Choose a shade that resonates well with you and possibly reflects the theme of your course. For those who already have a design in mind, you can upload a custom banner. This gives you complete control over how the banner looks. Maybe you've designed a logo for your class or you have a favorite image that represents the subject. This is your chance to showcase it. Ensure the image resolution fits well as a banner so that everything is clear and professional looking. If designing or uploading a custom banner isn't your thing, don't worry. Google Classroom also offers a variety of pre-made images you can choose from. Scroll through the options and pick an image that fits the subject or vibe of your class. For instance, for subjects like math and science, you might want to select a banner that has elements related to these topics. After you've made your choice by clicking on the image you want, go ahead and click on Select Class Theme. This will apply your chosen banner to the classroom header, providing that personal touch you were aiming for. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the selection, don't forget to click on Save. This will lock in your changes, ensuring that each time you or your students visit the classroom, your chosen banner will greet them. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a personal touch to your Google Classroom with a customized banner. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.